Not all stored data is equally useful. And honestly, some numbers create clarity, others mostly create distraction. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for over 17 years and have generated over $17 million in sales. And one thing I know is this: strong stores usually track information very differently because the goal is not simply to collect more data. The goal is to make better decisions. A lot of sellers focus heavily on surface metrics, random numbers, or isolated results. But stronger stores usually look for patterns, constraints, movement, and operational signals. For example, what products consistently attract traffic? Where do buyers stop moving through the store? What listings convert unusually well? What products create repeat buyers? And where does effort stop producing results? Those questions often reveal far more than simply watching sales numbers fluctuate. Because strong decision making usually comes from understanding how the store behaves as a system. Honestly, this changed significantly inside my own store. Early on, I mostly paid attention to obvious results: sales, downloads, individual products. But then I started looking more closely at patterns and buyer behavior, visibility movement, and long-term performance. That shift made decision making much clearer. Strong TPT stores usually operate through visibility. They understand what is working, why it's working, and where momentum is actually coming from. Better decisions usually come from stronger operational clarity, not from constantly reacting to isolated results. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so that you can make clearer growth decisions. But before you go, I'm curious. What's one thing you wish you could understand better about your TPT data? Let me know in the comments below. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why some TPT stores quietly become extremely difficult to maintain over time. I will see you in the next video.